chemistry is not what you think it is. My name is Nitro, and this laboratory is where chemistry becomes chaos.
So, if you love explosions, glowing chemicals, crazy experiments, and scientific secrets most people never see, then welcome to my laboratory. Chemistry controls everything. Your food, your body, your emotions, even the air you breathe. And today, we're entering the most dangerous laboratory on YouTube. Subscribe before something explodes. Actually, too late.
Chemistry is not what you think it is.
People think it's just boring formulas. But watch this! The secret is the neon catalyst. Kaboom! A spectrum of chaos! Beautiful! But chemistry can create fire, a flame that dances between orange and blue. The colors swirl in a chaotic ballet. Science is alive! And things that probably should not exist. What is that reaction? Whoa! A mini explosion! The smoke! It's in my face! Chaos in a controlled way. Incredible result.
Explosions.
I'm Nitro, and if something explodes, it was probably me.
And do you know what's really scary?
You are surrounded by chemistry every single day. In your food, the bubbles you blow, the medicine you take, fireworks and batteries, rust and glowing reaction. It's all connected by chemistry. Cooking? That's chemistry too. Every kuss, smell, and texture is a chemical reaction. Soaps, shampoos, toothpaste. Without chemistry, life would smell terrible. Medicines exist because scientists learned how chemicals interact inside the human body. Chemistry helps save millions of lives. Your body is basically a walking chemical laboratory. Breathing, thinking, even emotions. Chemistry. Fireworks? Those incredible colors? That's chemistry screaming in the sky. Phones, batteries, electric cars. Modern technology works because of chemistry. In the next videos, we're pushing the boundaries. This button could change everything. Chemistry isn't just science, it's the secret language of the universe. It creates fire and ice, glowing elixirs, medicine, food, electricity, smoke. And next time, I'll show you an experiment that looks completely impossible. And trust me, it only gets weirder from here. Subscribe, because the next experiment might explode.